Good morning children, welcome back to the class. Because of the heavy rain and some network issue, we have stopped the classes, right? Now we are going to continue our classes. And we have started our chapter number 2 now, the human body and health, your bones and muscles. And we have learned about the organs and the system. So our body works like a machine, and the human body is having a different parts, and they are called as the organs. And these organs will not work alone. There is a link between all the organs, and together all the organs will work. So this is overall it is called as a organ system. So here we are going to learn about the box they have given in the textbook. Okay. Now first, organ systems. Circulatory system. In our body there are different types of organ systems. First one we are going to learn about the circulatory system. What are the main organs in the circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Do you have heart? Which side? Left side. Do you have blood? Yes, and blood vessels also there. And what is the function of this? It transports blood to all the parts of the body. So, heart and the blood vessels, they will transport body lo blood ni prati oka part ki pampistundi. So, this work is called as a circulatory system. Example I want to tell you. Suppose we'll take the school as an example. So, school ever work వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు కదా. IMA will do IMA's job, and the teachers will do teachers' job, and students will do students' job. So everyone is having their own duty now, but overall it is called as school. You may be having the classrooms, you may be having the ground, you may be having the office room, you may be having the library, you may be having the lab room, right? So all these are having, but overall what do you say? School. So in the same way, all the organs and the organ systems are present, and overall it is called as our human body. So now we learn about the different. Now in digital classroom what we'll show? We'll show everything on the screen. Okay. And on the blackboard we'll be writing. And in the sports period you'll be playing. So like that there is a difference, no? In the same way, your bodies are having different types of jobs. Circulatory system lo blood transport avutundi. Next system is digestive system. Digestive system, what are the organs present? Mouth, stomach and intestine. So mouth will take the food, then it will pass it to the bladder, liver, some enzymes will be producing. Then higher classes. Then later on it will reach us to the stomach. From that again they will reach to the intestine. So like this, digestive system having three parts. Now what is the function? It breaks down the food to produce energy. Starting మనం తినేటప్పుడు ఫుడ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, టోటల్గా ఫుడ్ అంతా డైజెషన్ అయిపోయి బాడీలో దాని ఫుడ్ కలర్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది, టెక్స్చర్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇట్స్ బ్రేక్ డౌన్. మనం తినేటప్పుడు అన్నం నమ్మలేస్తాం కదా, విల్ chew the food now. So it will break the food into small particles. The saliva will be mixing in the mouth, then it will go through the food pipe into the stomach, and it will change further. So all the process will be going on in our intestine. So this is all the function of the digestive system. Now nervous system. Nervous system contains brain, nerves and spinal cord. Spinal cord ekkada untundamma mana backbone lo, right children? So each system is having different parts. Circulatory system, heart, blood vessels. Digestive system, mouth, stomach, intestine. Now nervous system, brain, nerves and spinal cord. What is the function of the nervous system? Controls all the functions of the body. Now I am able to talk, I am able to see you, I am able to write, I am able to walk front and back. So all these functions మన బాడీలో చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్క చిన్న పని, even we blink the eyes now just for 1 second, that all comes under the control of the nervous system. You can see here in the table, right? Next, respiratory system. Respiratory system contains nose, windpipe, lungs. Okay, nose, windpipe will be here, and the lungs. Here, lungs. What is the function of the respiratory system? Takes in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Yes, we'll inhale and exhale the air. That means we'll inhale the oxygen. One side we are taking oxygen, another side we are giving out carbon dioxide. So this is all done with the help of the nostrils and the windpipe. So the lungs will expand now when we breathe in air and giving out. So our lungs will in and out. So this is all comes under respiratory system. Now next one is muscular system. Muscles. Muscular system lo em untayi organs? Muscles. Do you have muscles? Everyone will have the muscles. What does the muscles do? What is the function of the muscle? Helps in the movements of the body part. Now I am able to lift my hand like this, and like this. So all these that happens because of the muscles. Here I am having the bone now. Everyone is having the bone here. And this is a joint, elbow joint. Now the muscle, this is called the muscle. Here you will be having the muscle now. So what does this muscle do? It helps the bone to everything. Bone ni గట్టిగా muscle పట్టుకుంటుంది, and because of the muscle elasticity, bone కి ఏముంటుంది, muscle కి ఏముంటుంది, elasticity. That is the reason we are able to move our hands. So this is all about the muscular system. Now skeletal system, it contains only bones. Give shape and support to the body and protect internal organs. What does the skeletal system contain? Bones. What does the bones do? If suppose our body is not having the bones, what happens? We cannot stand, we cannot sit, we doesn't have any proper shape. We are having a particular shape now. Like this we are having a particular shape. So the bones are like this. Here the rib cage is there. This is the backbone. Here the hip bone. Here the thigh bone. Here the foot. And here the shoulder bone. And here the hands, elbow, and here having the bone. If suppose the bone is not like this, it is like this. If the backbone is like this, then how will be our body? Our body will not be in this shape. Okay, it may be in another shape. If suppose the shoulder bone is not like this and it is like this, how will our structure will be? So it will be not having any shape. Now take suppose the leaves. All the leaves are not having the same shape, no? Some are like this, and some are like this, and some are like this, and some are like this. Okay, because the backbone is not straight and erect. So they are having different backbone shapes and size. All the leaves are at different shapes, and the shape is not very neat. No, each leaf is having different types of shapes. So because of the backbone and the skeletal system, it gives the proper shape. So what I am going to say is that our bones, the skeletal system, give us proper structure and the shape. Mana body lo proper shape undi ani ante adi because of these bones. And it protects the internal organs. Rib cage. I have told you this is called as rib cage. If you see the X-ray of this part near the chest, you can see the rib cage. What does a cage means? Cage ante enti? Panjaram. Okay. Birds ni cage lo vestam kada. So what does it do? Enduku panjaramlo pedtaru birds ni cage lo? It may be in the zoo also. We'll keep the lion, no? Why? So that it will not come out of that one and it will not harm us. Right? The same way rib cage means it is protecting. Something that gives protection is called as a cage, and rib cage means it will protect the heart. Now outer parts we are able to see, eyes, nose, inside the heart is there. Can you see the heart? Can you see the lungs? No. So what does the rib cage do? It will protect the heart and the lungs. So this is about the skeletal system. Skeletal system protects the heart and the lungs. You can see in the picture now right here. Now next about the excretory system. Lungs, skin and kidneys. So excretory system ఏంటి main organs? Lungs, skin and kidneys. What is the function of the excretory system? Removes waste from the body. We are taking 5 liters of water where we are drinking. But all the water will not be used by our body. Only some water will be filtered and some it will be sending to the other parts of the body, right? Then where does the extra water, what happens to the extra water? So the water that is waste after purifying, kidney purify చేసినాక మిగిలిన waste water ఏం చేస్తుంది? It will send out like sweat. చెమటొస్తుంది కదా? So the waste water will come out through our body in the form of sweat and in the form of urine. So like this our body and the food we are eating, that is also sent out from our body in the waste form. That is for the washroom. So this is all done by the excretory system. Next point, reproductive system. Different organs in males and organs. So we have learned that in fourth class also. A baby plant will come from a big tree. From the tree, baby plant will come out. A dog will give a puppy. In the same way, human beings will give a small baby, right? This is called the reproductive system. And it is different in the males and the females. That you'll be learning in the higher classes. What is the function? What is the main agenda of reproductive system? Helps human to produce children. So right now we have learned about the circulatory system, helps in circulating the blood. Digestive system helping digesting the food. Muscular system helps in the movement. As well as skeletal system gives the shape to the body. Excretory system give out the waste from our body. In the same way, reproductive system helps to produce the children. This is all about the organ system, main organs and its function, right? Two systems which work closely together are the skeletal and the muscular system. Let us learn in detail about each of them. So in the next class we are going to learn about the skeletal system and the muscular system. They both will work together. Skeletal system, muscular system. That means bones and muscles will work together. No separate work. They are doing only one work. Okay. Next class we will be learning. Okay, this is enough for you children for today. And the homework is that you have to write this table clearly in the notebook one time. Organs, organ system, main organs, function. This table is your homework. Write one time neatly. Have a close look, ma. This table. Why I am giving the table to you? Because you have to learn what are the main organs and what are the main organ systems in our body. What are the systems that are present in our body and what does it contain and what are its function. The whole chapter will be depending upon this table. So please read and write and learn children. Don't write simply. Thank you children.